So this is another token of Mubarak, but this token it's on or under the Solana network. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on with this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your Bitcoin wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the Solana as a network from here. Click on this plus icon and place the token in the search bar, and now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet to find your token that you just added, called Mubarak. Now after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it. Now click here on swap, switch from here from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see for that token. Now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Mubarak on Sol token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.